What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have the new Pixel 9 Pro XL. Now this is that hazel color, and Google has some fancy new packaging here, recyclable, plastic free, so they really did go out. I really do love the packaging that Google has done. It's got that kind of that color there to kind of make it look kind of trendy, look real nice, but you simply have the stickers here on the back. You pull those off here. And there you go. Hey, I got a little got a little AI going in the background. There we go. But as you can see here, we're gonna go ahead and bust this up. Thanks for interrupting my video. Man, you gotta love Gemini. And speaking of Gemini, this device this year is all about the AI. It's the main attraction. It's taking over the world. Gemini Live, or whatever you want to call it. We're gonna go ahead and bust it out. How do you like the new Wednesday lens? The Wednesday lens, I call it, because it's hump. That is a hump. Ooh, look at this. Look at that bad boy, huh? Now it's got the new flat side, so it reminds me like a S24 Plus and an iPhone 15 Pro Max had an intimate relationship. And this is what happened. But I'm really looking forward to trying this out. Let's go ahead and give you ooh, rip it up. We're gonna give you the full Monty here, as you can see there, and there she is in all her glory. We're gonna go ahead and power this on, and as you can see, it's got those aluminum sides there that are beautiful. It's got the Gorilla Glass Victus on the front, Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on the back, and as you can see, it's got that Wednesday hump. And it is huge. You got the 50 megapixel camera. You got a 48 megapixel telephoto, also 48 megapixel ultra wide on the front. You got the new 42 megapixel, a lot better than the 10 megapixel selfie camera that was on the Pixel 8 Pro. So Android 14 out the box, 7 updates that you're gonna get from Android. So you're gonna get up to Android 2021 if you keep it score. The new Tensor G4 chip. Okay, now the chip from Google is not one that is that everybody's kind of saying, oh, it's not as fast, it's not made for this or that. But you know what, it's made for this phone. It's made for the AI. It's made for the things that are made on this phone. There's a lot of cool features they have on this. Call notes, they got screenshots, they got Pixel Studio app, Add Me feature on the camera, the Reimagine tool, the Magic Editor. So there's a lot of different things that they have on here. Let's take a look around at the devices. You can see, man, that hump is crazy, huh? Look at that. A lot of people like it. A lot of people are like, I don't know. And then you do have this shiny flat sides on it, and it does feel good in the hand. It's a 6.8 inch LPTO OLED 120 Hz display, so you're gonna ride or die with this one. 3,000 nits of peak brightness that you're gonna get on your Pixel 9 Pro XL. This thing, it does remind me a little bit like the iPhone 15 Pro Max. I just don't know if it's it seems big, man. It does seem very, very big, but I'm gonna take a look around here. We're gonna take a look at the box, see what comes in the box. You get your Type-C to Type-C. I do like that. That is pretty cool. Now you do get 45 watt charging on here. That is an improvement for the Pixel devices. I know a lot of times they're got some slow charging, but you do get 45 watt charging if you have the right hookup as far as charging your phone. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and set this up. I'm gonna switch over from my other phone to this phone, and I'm gonna use this full time. So I just kind of wanted to go ahead and switch this over. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and transfer over my SIM. This is eSIM, so we're gonna see how fast this actually goes. So we're gonna hit transfer, and then see how long this actually takes. I'm going from my Fold 6 to my Pixel 9 Pro XL. So we're seeing how long it takes here. We're gonna hit continue. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna set up the fingerprint later. We're gonna set up the face unlock later. It's finishing eSIM. So I just kind of want to let you guys know how long it takes and see that it is very fast. Okay, and then we're gonna go copy data from Android to set up on your new device. Getting ready to copy. So it already switched over the SIM. That took 10 seconds basically. So I'm gonna go ahead and transfer all my text messages, my apps, my screens, all that good stuff. And as you can see, it's still copying. It's got about 18 minutes left to copy over all my text message, my apps, all that good stuff. So when you're setting it up, it does everything for you. If you're switching over from another device. Some people like to do this. I like to do it. I like to keep all my text messages, all my settings, all my apps, all that good stuff. So it takes a little time to do that. So you got to wait around for that. But all right, I got everything set up, all my apps and everything. So we're going to go ahead and make sure everything is good to go here. This is just, look at this thing. I'm not crazy about the shiny sides. I wish that was more of a matte finish, but I do like the way it feels in the hand. It feels really, really nice. This color is fantastic. Very, very, very cool looking color. Although I'm gonna probably I'm definitely putting a case on here, but I do like this color. Gray is one of my favorite colors, so I approve of this color for sure. All right, so one of the features on the Pixel 9 Pro and the Pixel 9 series in general is the introduction of Gemini. It's the new AI assistant from Google, so it does everything you want it to do. No matter what's going on, you can have conversations, you can create images from the jungle. You can do all kinds of stuff, man. Draft an auto office message for your email, whatever you need to do. Get explanations on sports like pickleball and all that good stuff. So you can write your own prompt, everything you want to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up, and we're gonna apply everything here. And what we want to do is let's have a little fun. Do a review of the Pixel 9 Pro XL. And here it is. It's
Pro XL, a comprehensive review. Disclaimer: as of August 2024, there hasn't been an official announcement or release of a Pixel 9 Pro XL. This review is based on existing Pixel 9 Pro models and potential features that might be included in a hypothetical XL variant. If a Pixel 9 Pro XL were to exist, it would likely...
So you see, it gives you different feature here, but it does give a disclaimer if something doesn't exist. So it basically gives you a review of the whole device. So you can do so much cool stuff on it. It's pretty cool, but AI is where they're at with Google. Now, you get the new triple setup here with the Wednesday lens. I call it the Wednesday lens. It's the hump lens. You know, hump day, you get it? All right, good, you're on board. Okay, you got 3 lenses here, 50 megapixel, you get a 48 megapixel wide angle, you get a 48 megapixel telephoto lens. So Pixel cameras are the truth. So you're not gonna have any issues taking pictures. Video's pretty good. I'm not sure if it's on par with Apple or Samsung this year, but we're gonna try them out. We'll test them out. You also get the new front-facing selfie camera or selfie lens, 42 megapixel, a lot better than last year's version. So, and you get the Tensor 4 chip, so you're gonna get the new blazing fast, everything you want to do. There's some new camera features too for the Pixel 9 Pro XL. You get the new add me feature. So if you take a picture, you need to add yourself to the thing you got. I mean, you get the magic editor features from the camera that you had. There's some new updated stuff that you can check out, but there's a lot of different things that are going on with the Pixel 9 XL Pro. So Pixel 9 Pro XL, that is a mouthful, let me tell you, but it's a cool looking device. I'll be doing some cases. I'll be doing some screen protectors. I'll be doing some setups with this. If you guys want to set, I got to set this up, man. I got to give it the Android stud look. This is stock. This is not what I'm about. I'm about giving this so that it looks clean. All right, one of the cool things about the Pixel 9 series is the new ultrasonic fingerprint reader. In years past, it had an optical fingerprint reader. This is ultrasonic, so it works really fast. I love it. I think it's just a great addition. That with the 45 watt charging, I think there's so many good things about this device that I'm enjoying. I like the build on it. I like the camera hump. I like the fingerprint reader. I do wish that when it was dark, you could open it, but you can't. You're gonna have to turn on the display. So we're gonna have to check that out in the settings and see if that changes. But I do love the fingerprint reader. Works really, really well. Bonus clip. The power button and the volume up and down rockers are a little opposite to what the Samsung devices have. The power button is on the bottom and the volume up and down on top. So it's gonna get some getting used to that. So make sure you realize that when you're using this. Also the shiny sides, I'm not feeling it, but back to regular programming. Leave a comment down below. There'll be links to this device if you want to get it. Yeah, let me know what you guys think of the Pixel 9 Pro XL from Google.